Lama the Sedenji boy, Lama is very Pema. Lamaya, Naman, not so your, there is some occasion, but only your, Kajabu your, Lama Sedenji is on shore.
It is very important to receive the Dharma teachings from a very qualified master. There are various lamas or teachers, some are good and some are not that good, deceiving others, cheating others. So it is very important to receive the teachings from a very qualified teacher.
Lama Sedem Bundu, Susi Nasanayaki, Mama Sedem Majoche, to make it a Pemato love the Geomai. Lama said Seden Shur.
And if one meets a very qualified teacher, then one should receive the authentic instructions from him, but not just other things.
Lama Sedin the Tosona, Pame Koyan Sede Joma, Duru Jan, Niru Seden Chichabo, Lucaleja and Congo.
And having received the proper instructions from him or her, and then one should put into that the practice with great diligence.
This soon don't sona, and Yanu Seden Chichio.
And if all these there are three the necessary conditions come together, and then one will gain the positive experience of practicing the teachings.
What that in here, Chukarjigin, Namdachi, Chevish, Nagachi, Tosi, Jordan, Janu, Tago, Mado, Anjo Yeze is the usual in, Chigit and Shutra, Kayomari. Those in the Chukuja Kame, it's a Sulo Macham, very easy. Jitu by a word, Jitsani, and it touches again in a Yomashavacha. I got a Tian to take it, Suzuki, Suzuki, Mashavachi.
And having received the instructions, then one instructions, and then we should try to put into practice. If one does not put into practice, and then what's the point of taking notes? I'm not against taking notes. Good to take notes because you can't read it Tibetan. There's so many Tibetan texts. It's good to take notes, but having taken notes, one must also use it. Don't leave these notes behind you.
Legend to Attica, legend of Mala, you should do some worry, you shouldn't see what it. You should do in the Tombo, Shoge, Bear, Nyozava to Nedi Marialon, Keshi.
Now, when we do this, the practice of the hundreds of deities of land of joy, Gatalajama, we also should do this with the 6 preparatory practices. First is now the dusting in the rooms of the practicing this Gatalajama. So don't sleep until midday. Wake up before that, and then clean up one's room.
Keshi had some say, Marity, some Giomare, Matarin the Jew says on Jamango Togan, the nation, Yanadun, so star with you. Things of the good nations are so much Gemini, somebody and some Samna, and Tree. Kajava the Payonayo.
And when one is dusting one's in a room, cleaning one's room, and then one shouldn't think that I'm doing this for my for my own pleasure. So, but rather one should think that I'm dusting my this retreat room or meditation room in order to invite this Papa and his two spiritual sons, and there are 5 beneficial qualities of dusting the place where one does practice.
The Jewish John, I chance on Larry, was the Jewish, the Jewish don't worry. Then a Papa Lanchumba singing the Lavasun was in Lebe. Such a sea need love Mato Candy, who river do it. Gay Juni, Sanjay Tokavaiza, no home Kajan and loving Zanum was, whatever love Mato be, do want to Mamma Siati. Koran love to be Yamari, Gilonsula Loju, Koran the Gilonsu Shachichu, could love in Jarry. And in Jazan Kaja, Koran the Loju, I love Kajan, and gate and door, and nobody come to church. Lansambe, Pabe Lamto, then a Dajum. Dajum and non, Dajum and Mendavichi, Chimala, Chotu, Chusha, and Chotu, Dajum and Dajum, which is race on it. The son of the native children on Havana Lantan and did it. What did they pay you? Gauge with that. Say my pay on my.
And the genuine benefit of adjusting cleaning one's meditation room is that, for instance, Papa Lamchung and he was very stupid at the very stupid at the first place. In order to purify his negativities, as a skillful means, and the Buddha appointed him as a cleaner, and then he was cleaning the temple and monastery, and while he was doing that, he even couldn't memorize the true words as abandoned martyrs and abandoned defilements. He even couldn't memorize these. Others have memorized before him, but by the cleaning, these around the temple and monasteries, reciting these abandoned martyrs and abandoned defilements, and then he finally purified all these negativities, and he achieved arhatship or became the fortister. Among the fortisters, he was the most excellent one in terms of teaching the Dharma and so forth. And so through cleaning, through dusting rooms, then one can receive all these benefits. And now, besides this, there are 5 other benefits of dusting the rooms. And next is now the setting up the representatives of the Buddhist spiritual mind. And if you have set up all the representatives of the Buddhist spiritual mind of Buddha, and then you don't need to move this first and then do it back again. If you have set already, and that's sufficient, you don't need to move that from different places. And if there are dust on the statues, then one should clean, and this by the feathers of birds, and then one should look at the statues, seeing the statues, and plants the wholesome imprints of seeing many Buddhas in the future, and then also one should make offerings, just as we eat, we need food, and so we should make the offerings to the Buddha. If we eat, the more we eat, the more there will be something that will come from the bottom. And strictly speaking, the first portion of food, first portion of drink should first offered to the objects of the refuge. But at the moment, we eat the most delicious food and drink, but we only offer just water to the Buddhas. So that's not the proper way of practicing offering. So if we do that, and then this our stomach that we have is the real stomach of the 3 jewels. And this very important to make the offerings, and more we create the merit, and the more we get an opportunity to make the offerings. For instance, there was one Kadamba Geshe who didn't have anything, even he had to go out for the begging, and he didn't have the proper instance of making offerings to the Buddhas and so forth. So instead of using the proper instance, he used a bush from which you can make the incense, and then he offered the bush of this incense as a real and offering of an incense, and then because he made these offerings sincerely, and then later on that Kadamba Geshe also received more kind of material things, and as a result of this, then he got a greater opportunity to make more elaborate the offerings. So if we make offerings, and then we can get a good opportunity to make offerings until death, and if we don't make offerings and we don't get money, so we cannot get any time to make offerings until death.
And
then sit on our meditation cushion, and then make and develop the set of sort of proper motivation. And with the wholesomeness in the heart, and then once take refuge and generate the Bodhicitta, we can recite this refuge prayer like Sanjay Chedang, and then we can also recite 4 immeasurable prayers.
Sanjay Chedang Soji Chona, Sanjay Wanadan, Jeff, some magic about the Kundu, the Jerusalem, Jeru paying of Zedu, Jeru paying to you about Lavina, or the Mus and Yumuri. Tavana, Jeru paying, just Lavina joined the hot watch. See, need a man to that someone.
So the first 2 lines of this one stanza teach this refuge and saying to the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, I take refuge in you unto enlightenment. This is about refuge, and when we take refuge, then we should try to also remember the benefits. There are 10 benefits which are also described in Amrit, and if we do practice refuge sincerely, then we will receive these benefits, even if we don't want these benefits. And the last 2 lines that through the virtues, through the merits of such as giving and so forth, may I have to attain the Buddhahood for the benefit of sentient beings, is the generation of Bodhicitta. And because one says that through the power of the merit, such as giving and so forth, then one dedicates this and for the benefit of to achieve enlightenment for the benefit of others, then one will receive these the benefits of developing both aspiring and engaging minds.
다음에 대거를 레레던데 라트 마무디가 내가 추유사 추그리 거기 나도 스타는 리통을 그거 거기 지는 거 봐. 어디 바로 레레던데 라 자신 리진에 서서 순자서 더리다 제가 도스 통지가 같이 다 뭐네 다네 그때 이거 진짜 된게 더 가리 할 수 있는 아까 나는 고지가 돼요. 지라랑 이렇게 다른 전부 지라마도 지라가 다른 상동지요. 내지 나가서야 돼. 라면들 매점에 쭉 온게 제가 상동 위치로. 어디에 지금 도지 들려도지라네. 근데 제일 좀 앞에 있는 데지 나가서 주사요. 이거 진짜데 들려오지 거지. 그냥 쉬는 센스지. 어디에 지리야 상동인데 내가 가지 뭐지 도가니 가냐 라자스 가냐 라자를 제가 말해. 나도랑 뭐요. 라라스야수 가냐 라순서 코나이 이거를 두고 살아. 가냐 라자를 저는 이렇게 다 지어서 조지시다 요소되는 거가냐 살아. 다만 제가 알아서 가면 계신이 가냐 이것인 별로 가서 가냐 라를 지어지는 요리요. 아니 가냐 라 처음에 보여요. 야자스야 돼. 로제된 게 셰제스야 되는데 로자스야 야정을 지어리지 망치를 차려. 다 먹고 쓰고. 다 받으면 다 사먹으면 뭐를 쓰고 다 사면 뭐죠 이제 괜히 저 공부 쓰는다 정원 쓰는다 저도 뭐 집어가 내가 하자고 정원 내가 다 사먹으면 정원 담아대 아니 진짜 사먹고 그래. 내가 하자고 뭐 정원 이 도가니스도 도가 배비치어 나오는데 지어서 타는 유대벌 양제도 제벌 타는 제유로죠. 먼저 동안에 최지제고 그저 노사자 최지제고 그저 조가 노사자를 배리서 공부 세를 세단 제버세 제서 필요니 제벌 지단 여러분이 세 요새 숨 제나니 치세 제나 여러분 치제 또 된자 내자서 제서 동시니 제고 나토지세 지부도 필요로 치 요새 니 제고 토지세 지부 필요로 치던데 내가 그 세요 말이야. 당연한 줄로 난 토지세 지부도 필요로 치지. 치세 토지세를 치지. 코나만 지자로. 대자고야 그 관련해서는 그래도 뭐지 버려 가지고 두고 나서도 필요로 치지 전화도 되지. 예설제도 이제 제레스. 근데 그 제르무시 리송지도 이메일 나오는 제가요. 제가 리송을 어디 전에 예세송 무지야. 그래도 무슨 제르무시가 로마지가 나오는데 싸우는 매케 이거야 될 거라서나 사고가 좀 전제에서 살아다 너무 많이 좀 살아다 알아야 되나 살아다 사고가 좀 전제 뭐 사기지 상황 전제해야 돼 상황 전제가 세지 토세 세 너무 이제 찾아가고 데이터 같이 이거래요. 다나 이제 세례 책임을 주어야 돼. 누구 말이에요. 근데 그거 피해 큰 사람이 맞도
When we say by whatever merit, such as giving and so forth, may I attain for the benefit of others.
세계에 시험 먹고 가서 세계에 돌려서 장로를 도가는 상로도 아주 어떤
for the sake of all sentient beings and so forth, in giving and so forth here, we can include the merit, this giving patience and effort and concentration, wisdom and moral discipline, and so saying that by whatever merit of such as practicing, giving patience and so forth, and may I achieve for the benefit of all sentient beings, and then this is the generation of enlightenment, and then having generated enlightenment, and then we should invite this field for the accumulation of merit, as we have said that that we are inviting the field for the accumulation of merit from Tushita, or the land of joy, and this land of joy is above this land of without the compact, and and it is said that we should visualize this field for the accumulation of merit in the space before us, 1 cubit distance from the eye, from the level of the eyes, between eye to between the level of the eyebrows. And some people may wonder that how can this Tushita, land of joy, can be so near, because as geographically it is very long, and especially how can we visualize this Mount Meru, which are under this Tushita, the land of joy. And when we in the practice this the hundreds of the deities of the land of joy, and then we shouldn't visualize this very far, just visualize 1 cubit distance from the eye levels of the between eye and the brows, and below this and in the space, and then we should visualize the Mount Meru and so forth, and think that just as through an eye of a needle we can see the everything, and like the mountain and so forth, and when we are looking. And from the heart of the protector Maitreya, and then we should invite this Tsongkhapa and his 2 spiritual sons on the peak of cloud, which is resemble a cluster of fresh white curd. And here cloud is used as an example of that cloud is white. So the curd is used as an example of that the color of the cloud is in white. Just that's the only meaning. Otherwise, there's no other sense. And when we are inviting the Tsongkhapa's 2 spiritual sons, we should invite a replica of the Tsongkhapa's 2 spiritual sons. Inviting the Tsongkhapa and 2 spiritual sons, we shouldn't we shouldn't stop to visualize the Tsongkhapa's 2 spiritual sons at the heart of Maitreya. We should just only visualize, invite a replica of Tsongkhapa and the 2 spiritual sons from the main Tsongkhapa and his 2 spiritual sons on the peak of a cloud, and think they reach, and then the face before oneself 1 cubit long from between 2 eyebrows. And we can visualize these clouds in accordance with one's wishes. In the Tangas, we can see that from the heart then of the protector develops the curved clouds, and then in the space before us, then huge the kind of clouds that develop around Tsongkhapa's 2 spiritual sons. Also, there are small kind of clouds, but and it's up to us whether we visualize other the clouds behind Tsongkhapa's 2 spiritual sons. And anyway, this white white cloud symbolize or is the compassionate mind of the protector Buddha Maitreya. And saying all-knowing or omniscient Lobsang Tapa, the King of Dharma, together with your sons, spiritual sons, I request you to come to this abode. saying these two lines, and then one should imagine that Tsongkhapa and his two spiritual sons reach in front of oneself. And it won't take very long that Tsongkhapa and his two spiritual sons be in this space before us.
Je se sumunde nyame tobe ombu jo sheja tobani janjayam ngobulu do papa tome jaje joju samu daju jube lama yungo rang zabe lama parke lama so imbashi sam tongko.
And most importantly, one should regard Tsongkhapa and his two spiritual sons are the synthesis of all the gurus, all the way from the Shakyamuni Buddha, and then Maitreya, and also Manjushri, Nagarjuna, and so forth.
Yedam Judeji Lasso, Judeji Lasso, Yedam Kango, Divedani Yimba, Sanje, Tanji Divedani Yimba, Chanshu Simba, Babu Kano, Shujun Suman Jidele Deva, Jayu Kangalobe, Kangatsu Jindu Yideva, Konsum Budel, do the UK, Jakundu Chicho to Sam Tongo.
And also one should visualize that these Tsongkhapa and his two spiritual sons are the synthesis of the deities of the four sets of Tantra, and the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, and the heroes and the heroines and the protectors of the Dharma.
Yame Tobe woman and Rocket Savella Persia Lama, Yedam, Sanjay Chansa Bow, Kadishu, Tamje Nibe Dania, Doji Chansu Santa Kondo Kalama and Dan Chabas, Tango to Tiberi. Kondo de Carla Mam and Dan Chabas, Kula Shadow River Make. The Sonju Kuim, Ishiji Kuin, Sanjay Kunaji. Yima Lakundo Carbola Mandan Yudevich.
And visualize that Tsongkhapa and his two spiritual sons are the synthesis of all the gurus, up to including the president of the gurus. And one should visualize that Tsongkhapa as a body is in the white, having a slightly the reddish tint.
Kundo Karvatiki Jerusalem, Marvatiki Sun,
and the white, the colored body symbolizes illusory body, and the red one symbolize this union.
Julu is a son to Jubu, the Javado Janko, Kaju Yela, Dundesia, Kutiri, Sanji Kurani, Kutu Sunju Chamaris.
And this together the reddish tint, the white and reddish tint body, Tsongkhapa, symbolize the unification of the body and the mind, or means illusory body, and the union.
Kodokalama and Anchaba, Sheji Zonshi, Jenju Rimbas, Sherebe, Gumbazungede, and Auto member Beshira, Jimusho, two Nebu Shibu, Mission, Zumba down Jangori, Jendeva, Jenju Rimbu, Jendela, Hai Jendela, Ishi Jen, Troy Jendela. Simple tribute, Shinji tribute, you change the nations, Najan is the tribute, the Nandu. The message, you know, Jima Yansi, the Jujan, she began the Jujan, she then changed Jews in Shins, Champajibu, changed Jews in Shin.
And visualize that Tsongkhapa is in the smiling expression, and is as long as the eyes. There are the various eyes, wisdom eyes, wrathful in the eyes, and so forth. And some in the eyes are the shape of the grain, like the Tara's eyes and so forth. But anyway, once you visualize Tsongkhapa's eyes is long.
And one
should visualize that the tip of the Tsongkhapa's nose is like quite high, and you can visualize this quite easily because most of the Westerners have a very tip. And one should visualize that Tsongkhapa is a delightful expression. And if one visualize this, and this is then the auspicious sign of that one be cared under the protection or under the protection of the Tsongkhapa.
Sanje ke Jesu Songse Maje Maje Bare. Maje Songse Jigide Bare. Nia de Yo Maje Maje Le Hadi.
And our works are not very good because we've done everything that Buddha said we shouldn't do it, and we didn't do it that Buddha said we should do it.
Nge le Hadi Chota Jerum to Nia Ayo Na Sanje Yo Mare. Dari to Nia ke Juji Chung Yo.
And we shouldn't think that, oh, my work would be not delighted or pleased by Tsongkhapa at this time, and we caused to please the Tsongkhapa's Lord.
Maharaj Chadang Musum Migi Ochu, Bes Shada, Chen, Nyawado Shia Sudesa, Sanje Sube Tuti Shida, Chen, Tuzio Chimusi, Shuyori. Sanje Sube Tuzio Tibe, Ranga Amale Shiverova. Pugu Ranga Ame, Pugu, Pugu Yabu Shibuchi, Yomi, Pugu di Tu San Shiro Chen, Dilo Yona, Amade Zio Kaze Yona, that Sanje Mazu Zio Di Sebamare. Tu Save Niebe Pula, Ame Zio Yoga, Digbe, Janju, Sunju, Chivale, Sanje, Maransu, some of the Zio Yodi. Then is a Zio Chimu, Zuyori, and Zuchi, Majava Tuti, Zuchi, Sanja Tuti, Sin Duya, Marimado. In that Ringo Nega, then Sajatan, Shogan, Keshi, Treva, the Kami, the Chuchi Cheva, Chuchi, Manung, Chuchi Cheja, Shira long and bay, Shira, Pamaka, Manamania, two to dig, Yamaji Pamasheva Niebe, Jobaya, which Jan, Amashibi Glavio. There are now two journey of Majan and dig that Rimanet and certain show is Tantiga, Lamajin, which turns out to Nebuyo.
And because the Buddhas have great the compassion, and so they're very they have the pleasing mind towards us, and their compassion is far greater than the mother's compassion for her and the child who has eaten, who has eaten poisons, and even the child has eaten the poison, and the mothers have immense compassion. But this but Buddha's compassion for us is even greater than these mothers. And today we are pleasing the Buddhas by reciting or doing these hundreds of deities of the land of Joyikande Phatyama, because we so far we didn't do it, and we didn't do it properly, and now we have engaged in negativities. But today we do it, and then they were very pleased, thinking that she has done terrible things, but today he is doing this, so they were very pleased, just as just as if mother's boy is very naughty, and if the boy becomes very positive, and then mother will be very pleased about his the development.
Yao Changang Gu Tu Chu Gu Yao Me Be Mani, Zhugu Dine Lamen Nama Chen Jian Chang Yong Yiza, Chugu Yin Zugu Nama De Jian Chang Sinendi, Longu Nene Zhugu Chu De Jian Chang Sinendi, Garjugu Nene Jian Chang Ma Chen De, Zhugu Jian Ma Chen De Dio. Da Li Jian Jian Guo Le Ma Mu Xie Mu Guo Du Xie Jian Chang De, Jian Song San Ma Jian, Li Jiao Song Guan Du Yin San Ma Jian, Lama Guan Du, San Jie Guan Du, Dang Xu Guan Du, Bin Liu Guan Du, Dan Zhao Zhao Rang Ge Zhao Lama Yin Ma Xian.
And visualize Tsongkhapa is the synthesis of the Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha, and especially once you one should regard that he is also one's guru.